Today we'll be learning about how to put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First thing first, open the Instagram application on your device. When you reach on this home screen of Instagram, you need to swipe to the right side in this way, and you can record a video or click on this camera icon and click a photo in this way. Once you click any photo, you need to tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Here you can see the questions, so tap on questions, and here the Ask Me a Question box has already been appeared, so now tap on Done. You can customize the Ask Me a Question box here. You can minimize the size as well and rotate it if you'd like to, but let's keep it as it is. And here you can move at the top or the bottom or any way you'd like to. And after that, you need to tap on the arrow icon at the left at the right corner of the screen, and you can choose the sharing options as well. If you want to share to Facebook, you need to tap on share once, otherwise let's cancel it and tap on share. Now tap on Done, and this way you can easily put Ask Me a Question on Instagram story. After that, your followers or the friends on Instagram will easily view this story and they can ask any question and you can reply to their questions. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.